How can you buy crypto at reasonable prices without spending too much time and still have a good chance of making a profit? One approach that helps is called dollar cost averaging, DCA. This strategy is widely used by both beginners and experienced investors as it simplifies the buying process and reduces the risk of making poor timing decisions. Let's break it down in simple terms. DCA is a strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, whether it's once a week, once a month, or however often you prefer. The key idea is to invest the same amount constantly, no matter the price of the crypto. For example, if you want to invest 10K in crypto over a year, instead of putting all the money in at once, you could split it to 12 monthly investments or 52 weekly investments. This way, you are spreading out your purchases, which means you'll buy at different prices over time instead of trying to guess the best time to buy. This strategy can help smooth out the ups and downs of the market. When the price is low, your fixed amounts buy small, and when the price is high, you buy less. Over time, this helps you avoid buying everything at the worst price and lowers the impact of market swings. The main idea is not to worry about timing the market perfectly. In contrast, a lump sum investment is when you invest all your money at once. While these can work well if you're lucky enough to buy when the price is low, it can also be risky. If you invest everything during a price peak, you might end up losing a lot of the market drops soon after. So while lump sum investing could give you better results if you catch the market at the right time, DCA is a safer option for many investors as it reduces the risk of buying at the wrong time and help you stay consistent. DCA versus lump sum investing. Which performs better? Let's say you have 2.5K to invest in Bitcoin. If you use dollar cost averaging DCA, you would invest a fixed amount each month for new months. For example, you invest $500 each month for 5 months. By the end of September, you would have accumulated 0.03 Bitcoin worth about 2.5K. Now, if you had invested the full 2.5K all at once in May, when Bitcoin prices were lower, you would have gotten more Bitcoin for the same amount. By September, your investment would have grown more as the price was lower in May. On the other hand, if you had invested everything in July when prices were high, you would have ended up with less Bitcoin. In this case, a lump sum investment would have performed poorly. Key takeaway: lump sum investing can work well if you buy when prices are low, but it's risky if you invest when prices are high. DCA, however, helps reduce that risk by spreading out of your purchases over time, regardless of price. Why DCA works over time? If you invest regularly during a bear market when prices are down, DCA helps you buy at lower average prices. For example, if Bitcoin drops 65–70% from its peak, DCA minimizes your losses. In contrast, lump sum investing at the peak could lead to large losses as you're buying when the prices are at the highest. So what do you think? Is DCA the strategy for you, or are you the type to try and time the market and risk it all? Let us know in the comments. You might just win the DCA Expert of the Year award. Not an actual award, but it's a cool title anyway. So how to set up DCA? To start DCA, pick an amount and a schedule for your investment. For example, you can set up a plan to buy $100 of Bitcoin every week on platforms like Binance. This way, you invest regularly without worrying about timing the market. Plus, on Binance, you can earn interest on your stablecoin balance like USDT or BUSD. While you want to buy Bitcoin, let's delve into how you can set up dollar cost averaging DCA on Binance. By investing a fixed amount into Bitcoin at regular intervals, you can avoid the stress of timing the market and reduce the risk of buying at the wrong price. Here's how to do it. Start by creating a Binance account. If you don't have one yet, check out the video above where I walk you through the entire process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, watch guide till the end, and then come back here to move forward. If you've made it this far, why not show a little love and hit that like button? It's the only way I will show you're not secretly using DCA to ignore me. Step 2. Deposit funds. Once your account is set up, deposit funds. You can transfer funds using your bank account, credit or debit card, or by sending cryptocurrency. It's best to use stable coins like BUSD or USDT, as these are pegged to the value of the dollar and provide more stability than other cryptocurrencies. I have also covered how to top up your Binance wallet using P2P trading with zero fees on this video. Check it out. Step 3. Set up Auto Invest. Next, go to the Earn section of Binance and click on Auto Invest. Here, you can set up a plan to automatically buy Bitcoin, choose how much you want to invest per interval, whether it's $50, $100 or more. Step 4. Pick the frequency. Decide how often you want to invest. You can choose weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly intervals. Once set, Binance will automatically purchase Bitcoin for you at those intervals, so you don't need to worry about timing the market. Step 5. Monitor your investments. Once your DCA plan is set, the system will automatically buy Bitcoin for you on the dates you specified. You can check your balance and track your purchases over time. This strategy helps you buy Bitcoin at different price points, smoothing out any market fluctuations. Step 6. Earn interest on stablecoins. It's optional. While you wait for your scheduled Bitcoin purchases, you can earn interest on your stablecoins by using Binance's savings account. This earns you 5–6% interest, which can boost your overall returns while your money is sitting in the account. Step 7. Reevaluate as needed. Over time, you may want to adjust your DCA plan. Whether you want to change the amount, frequency, or type of crypto, Binance make it easy to modify your investment plan to suit your needs. It's a smart strategy for long-term growth, and with tools like Binance, it's easy to set up and let it run automatically. So if you're looking for a steady way to build your crypto portfolio without worrying about market timing, DCA could be the perfect fit. Remember, you can always adjust your plan as needed to stay on track with your financial goals. That's all for today, guys, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments or reach out. Hopefully this guide makes you feel more confident about using DCA. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends or relatives, whoever is interested in this topic. So, happy investing and bye!